This is what it looks like going down to the greenhouse now. Hopefully some of these plants will take off. I need to find more, probably natives, but we'll see how these work. Anything that'll take off. There's a scarlet globe mallow, that's a native flower. I got violets and chamomile, catnip, motherwort, some ornamental sage. Did find a yarrow. And I want to get more of these, but this is fringed sage. That's a native too. So I'm just going to plant all sorts of stuff and see what grows. Eventually work on getting things to grow in between the stones too. But I'm kind of pleased. We'll see how it works with rain.